So I've been thinking about making a lot of videos lately just to see where my channel goes if I make a video per day all week. Which, I had this idea for a while, but I'm not really consistent enough to do this. But we're in quarantine, so like, why the fuck not? So before we get started, I want you to check out my game, Darkness in the Crowd. It's available on the Steam Marketplace, so just go ahead and click that link in the description and you'll go find it. Outside of that, if you want to keep updated with how many videos I post and see if I actually complete this challenge, the notification bell is right down there, right by the subscribe button. I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe, but please. Today, what I was thinking about doing was I'm gonna start up a Blender project, and I had a really funny idea for an animation I wanted to do. I'll show you it right at the beginning, and we can show you exactly how I did it through the step-by-step process. That is not gonna be step-by-step. I'm just gonna zoom through it and like kind of show you bits and pieces of what I found was kind of important. So off we go. I'm gonna show you how I made this very simple animation in Blender in under like 1 hour. So we start off the model with a skin layer, a subdivision surface, and a bunch of vertexes. We ended up with a pretty decent looking humanoid, but it did have its difficulties. I think you just go like this for the head. Afterwards, it was time to add some details. What do abs look like exactly? I feel like I should know this. What do abs look like? Yeah, I think that's what an ab looks like. Yeah, that's good. I think this is what the original goal was. Yeah. Okay, let's give him like eyebrows and then we're good. The next crucial step was to rig our character and give him bones to allow him to move like a usual human thing. And then I would just test it out. Yeah. He's like, right this way, sir. After that, we had to add some inverse kinematics to allow easy movement. And now he can take you by the hand and do the Macarena. After that, I wanted to give my alien a weapon thing. Yeah, this looks accurate. I think this is what an alien weapon would look like. In order to make the weapon, I just subdivided a bunch of cubes and kind of extended them to my liking. With the weapon and its rigging done, it was time to animate it. And now with the animation all done, it was time to add some background details. I know adding details can be kind of boring at times, but for me, it was kind of relaxing. I just throw in some background music and get to work moving different shapes and blocks, and by the end it doesn't look half bad. After you're done with most of your props, you just start adding colors to things, and it just starts turning out better and better. My final touch was to add color to the alien, and because I didn't feel like texturing him, I just did the simple material method. And that was it for the animation. It's just a alien that keeps his clip and changes his weapon. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and maybe subscribe and like the video if you liked it and dislike it if you didn't. Please don't.